Hello friends, welcome to Enabling Accessibility, a platform for easy learning. We hope you are finding our tutorials useful. For more interesting tutorials, do subscribe to our channel and click on all notifications to receive updates of our new uploads. Okay, let's get into our topic.
Hello friends. At work or home, we use Microsoft Word to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, etc. To help in learning Microsoft Office, I'm going to upload tutorials on Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. This may help you in self-learning process or clear doubts to some extent. I'm using latest version of Microsoft Office in this tutorial. First, I'm going to start with Word, and this is my first tutorial on Word. Friends, I'm trying to share what I learned from my experience of using the application. If you find any errors or would like to add anything, let me know through comments. Microsoft Word is a word processing application that runs on personal desktop, laptop or a mobile computing device. It offers many tools to the user. It is used in small and large organizations to create and write documents, letters, reports, articles, etc. In this tutorial, let's learn how to open the Word and understand layout of Word. Let's open Microsoft Word. I'm using Run Dialog Box to open Microsoft Word. Use Windows key plus R to open Run Dialog Box.
Windows R. Run dialog. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open : edit combo. WinWord 1 of 6. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt+O.
Then type WinWord and hit enter.
Blank. WinWord. Enter. Desktop. Folder view. List view. Opening dash Word, list box Word, new list box, blank document, 1 of 6. To move to an item, press the arrow keys, Alt followed by F, H, Y2.
When the Word is opened, the focus is on Backstage view. Here we can see templates and recent files. The focus is on templates. Press Escape to go to the document.
Escape. Edit.
Now let's examine the layout of Word. First we have title bar on top left of the window. Here we see the title of the opened document. If a new document is opened, the title is Document 1-Word. To check the title, use Insert key plus T.
Title is Document 1-Word, print view.
Next there is ribbon menu bar. This is just below the title bar. There are many tools and features available in Microsoft Word. The similar menu items are grouped and each set is a ribbon tab. Each ribbon tab has different menu items. Use Alt key to move the focus onto ribbon menu.
Ribbon, Alt followed by H. Upper ribbon, Home tab. To switch pages, press Ctrl plus Tab, Alt followed by H. Escape, leaving menus, leaving ribbons, edit.
Next we have Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is below the menu bar. Here we see the shortcuts for frequently used tools. Then we have Status Bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the window and has information on the left side and icons on the right side. On the left we see number of pages, number of words, spelling and grammar icon and language icon. The grammar icon will open spelling and grammar tools. The language icon will indicate the language which is in use. On the right side there are icons to change how the document is viewed. There are 3 views. First one is print view. This is used for editing and viewing what the pages look like if printed. The second one is read view. This is similar to a magazine layout. Then there is HTML view. In this view, the text looks like when we view with a browser. Finally, we have zoom slider. Here we can change the zoom percentage. To move to the status bar pane, use F6.
F6. Status bar toolbar. Status bar page number page 1 of 1 button to activate, press enter. Status bar page number page 1 of 1 button to activate, press enter. Word count 0 words. Language English left parent United States right parent button to act. Read mode tab to switch pages, press Ctrl plus tab. Print layout tab to switch pages, press Ctrl plus tab. Web layout tab to switch pages, press Ctrl plus tab. Zoom out button to activate, press space bar. Zoom in button to activate, press space bar. Zoom 100% button to activate, press enter.
Friends, if you have anything to share with us, please share it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.